Alrighty, hello and welcome to the channel. Blunt here, and today we're checking out a demo for Desynced. Now, the full game is available on Steam. I'll leave a link down in the description. I believe the big announcement for them was that as of recording this a few days ago, they released the 1.0 version, so coming out of early access. And for what I understand by the trailer and the very brief read, I like to try and keep myself surprised, so I try not to do too much reading in when I see something that catches my eye. Is that this is a bit of a, almost like a, again, like a 3D, not Foundry, Factorio, there we go. So kind of a very similar, there's supposed to be defense and automation and all that kind of stuff. And supposedly you can get very advanced with visual scripting. I've messed with Blender and Unreal. Visual scripting is not my strong suit. Heck, even doing some of the effects I do in DaVinci, because it's all node based, I get confused. But yeah, so we can do new game or tutorial. I feel like this is one of those games where I should do the tutorial. Oh yay, errors. That's data corruption. Simulation integrity. Oh, okay. All right, welcome back, Commander. Your ship has been damaged and I'm taking you out of stasis. I'm Elaine. Emergent Logistics Artificial Intelligence Network. I swear that's got to be one of the biggest challenges when coming up with a game like this, is there's always someone who has like an AI and it's coming up with the moniker. Post me. What's the word I'm thinking of? I'll remember it by then. Anyways, what you're seeing is a feed from an unidentified planet where I've deployed a team for you to command. This planet seems to be the source of the damage, and we are unable to leave the planet's orbit until our ship is repaired and the source of the damage is identified. Okay. You will need to establish a small mining facility in order to proceed with ship repairs. This will be your primary objective. Communications are currently... There's stuff happening. What? Oh, we're good. Communications are currently limited, so one of the first things you will need to do is to establish an uplink from ground level. Try to find metal and crystal deposits, as we will need them for repairs. I think I found them. Commander, we didn't come here by accident. The Blight may contain the breakthroughs our civilization has been waiting for, but something inside it struck back. Our archives were scorched, our ship crippled. I'm detecting additional technology signatures on the surface. Tools we can recover and adapt to accelerate repairs. Okay. The codex button opens the in-game codex, which contains more in-depth information. The navigation buttons allow you to view previous codex entries. Click understood to continue. Oh, yes. Pan the camera. Yep. Use mouse wheel to zoom the camera. Okay. Follow the prompts. Oh, over here. Power production and consumption of your power grid. Okay. Available items are shown at the top of the screen. This can be toggled or filtered by using the button to the left. Okay. Time indicators showing day, night, time of day, and date are shown. Buttons to pause the game and open in-game menu are also here. Oh, handy. Interactive mini-map. Yes, man, okay. So I didn't play a whole lot of Factorio, but I played a lot of StarCraft back in the day on my Pentium 2. It might have been slightly newer than that, I'll be honest. My memory sucks. But the computer was white. I remember that. Anyways, an interactive mini-map. Game notifications will appear underneath it. Various notification categories can be displayed with the options. Okay. Holy buttons, all right. Research T, B for build, progress shown with O, codex with X, library with L, control center with F. Ooh, I like a control center. Okay. Health. Click and hold the mouse button on it to deconstruct the selected unit or building. Battery. Hover the mouse for details on power consumption. Okay. Hover. Oh, I guess I can't do that yet. Power on and off, logistics settings, and transport route. During gameplay, you can right-click the inventory item slots for more options. Component sockets. Sockets and components come in 4 sizes: internal, small, medium, and large. Oh, this is gonna get okay. So unit has deployment functionality. Oh, okay. Power grid. So everything uses like inductive charging, it seems like, from what I was gathering. So everything's wirelessly connected. It's the way of the future. Pressing right click will make the selected units perform various actions based on what components are equipped. Move a unit with right click. Nope. But I have it select. Wait. So now if I right click. Gotcha. Okay. Items can be moved by dragging them onto another unit on the map. Components will automatically get equipped when transferred. Select your command center to access its inventory. Drag the small advanced turret to your scout. Oh, so we actually have to like arm them. Huh, okay. Deploy the command center. Deploy it using the base. Okay, but put it in between. Nope. Already forgot how to right click to drag, right? So I want you, and I want to put you there because that's probably going to be the most inconvenient place. And then I'm going to hit deploy. Nope. That's, oh wait, yes. Okay. So now you'll transmorgify. That's not the word. Transfigurate? No. Oh, it happened. And now I have runners. Okay, you have a network, which will handle basic logistics and supply power to units and buildings. Automated delivery of items will only happen inside the network. Toggle the overlay with P. Okay, so that's my Wi-Fi signal range. Got it. Not gonna lie, how handy would that be in real life, right? Trying to figure out why your phone's doing something dumb and it's like, am I just out of signal? I used to be with a specific carrier, I won't mention who, but they used to be like, well, you have full bars. I'm like, great, I have full bars, but no signal. Like, my phone would continue to drop calls. Turned out to be a problem with their local antenna, but it took 3 months for them to get it through their heads that I understand I have full bars. And they would get mad at me. Oh, you hung up. I didn't hang up. I dropped the call. Anyways. Whew. So yeah, having a visual aid, that's going to be handy. Technology is love-hate. All of it. All right, you've been given a deployable building. Select the drop pod. This thing. To access its inventory, okay? Drag the deployer onto your scout. Deployer onto scout. With the scout selected, okay, select and click deploy and place the building in an open area away from your command center. Well, why not right here then? I don't know what I'm doing. What is this? Set both engineer to start mining one. Oh, start mining. One on a metal ore deposit and the other on the crystal using the... Okay, so you're an engineer. So if I just click you... And they are limited resources. I both like and hate that because of when you have limited resources, it means you can't build... How to put it? It's hard to build something to the efficiency of like you would in Satisfactory or something. But then at the same time, it kind of forces you to explore and do stuff. Select the command center and drag the fabricator from your inventory into a free medium socket. Command center, fabricator into a medium socket. Okay. We'll expand production with more fabricators for our production buildings. Components are required to be built separately. Set the command center to produce 3 fabricators. Hold up. What am I doing? I don't know what it is about these games, but I suddenly feel dumb. It's like, I'm a mechanic. I deal with technology all the freaking time and complex systems. And then I've been a hobbyist in, enthusiast gaming for 27 years. And then right here, that simple instruction, just for some reason, my brain went, all right. Set the command center to produce 3 fabricators. Click to change product or register. Why is it pointing to here? Visual. Oh, that's okay. 3 fabricators. I don't know what they are. That's a miner. It's a mining tool. Is it up here? Deployer. Have I seen a fabricator already? Do I know what that is? Assembler. Oh, wait, right. It's this thing. You have seen it. Okay, so I need to produce 3 and set the value and close. Wow, very interesting. Why is this dude just float? Oh, is it full? Can I only hold 40? Set the command center to produce 3 fabricators. Didn't I do that? I think I did something wrong. I think I was supposed to do it here. Shown in the game world, useful to link the production by dragging from the production to the visual. Change visibility with... I don't know what I did there. Okay, so I want 3. Check. Oh, it's doing stuff. All right, I did that. Are we just waiting? Automate production of metal bar by constructing a dedicated production building. What? Drunk Barney right there. Went into Jabba mode. Fans of How I Met Your Mother will get that. By constructing a dedicated production building. Learn more. Okay, buildings are the same interface and most of the characteristics of units, only that they cannot move. I don't know. Trailer park buildings move all the time. They can be, however, hold on. They can be, however, be deconstructed and also relocated. They can, however, be deconstructed and also relocated. There's an extra B in there. Okay. For a second, I thought I was having a stroke. Build menu is B, displays. You know what? That's enough. I think I got it. All right. What am I building? Construct a building 1 by 1 by using the build menu. Oh, it's just follow the instructions. A 1 by 1. Oh, it just says building. Okay. Is it there? Okay. Who's this? My scout builds it? Or he delivered materials? I don't know. He went over there for something. What's this? Did I do that? Oh yeah, I think I did build that. That's right. Okay. So this is not how you build it optimally. Okay. I honestly completely forgot I put that down there. Select the new building and click the request item to request one fabricator. Request item. Fabricator. 1. Check. And now, who are you? You're a runner. Whoops. Set the production register to metal bar. Okay. My brain just clicked. So this is just a foundation piece I built. Now I equip it with the stuff to do what I want it to do. And register to metal bar. Don't I have one down here that does that? Okay. I will say the graphics are very pretty. I have no idea if I have them cranked. There could be more. Hang on, wait. I can pause. Menu. Is there more? Dude keeps overheating his computer and complaining about there's more. Ultra quality. Wow, it's actually oh, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted the drop down. There we go. Okay, DirectX 11. So I don't know what if a DirectX 12 would turn on anything. I can turn on DLSS to get even more frame rate. I don't really need any more, and I didn't have to hit apply. It just did it. And I'm still solid 60 FPS. Doesn't use a lot of GPU. I'm sure there's many people where this is not the kind of game where it's like visuals are the above all and end all, but it is pretty. Okay. Copy an existing building by pressing C, move the mouse over an empty tile, and activate the building cursor with the copied structure by, okay, so no control, but just C and V. And then you can always relocate buildings from the unit options menu. Copy and paste a production building. That would be you, right? And then I hit V. Can I put them like right next to each other? I can. It's paused. I'm like, why isn't anyone doing anything? Oh, it's too early in the morning for brain activities. Now what? Why am I hitting this? Buildings. Yes. Oh, okay, hold on. I have more instructions. Copy one of the metal bar production facilities, C. Put it in the build cursor, V. Then use control to show the construction editor, set the production register to metal plate. Okay, so I'm gonna C, V, and then control left click. I did something wrong. Hang on. Select the building. C, V, control click. And set production to metal plate. Is that this button? No. Is that this button? Metal plate. Check. Then this can also be used to upgrade existing buildings. So you can go through and that's fancy. I do like that. I do hate deconstruction and rebuilding. Like, just let me upgrade. There are modern day factories out there, and I worked at a couple of them where the original building is like 50, 60 years old. Actually, I worked at one recently where they make some of the most advanced electronics on the road today. And the original building was built in the 50s or 60s, something like that. Which was always fun because, you know, leaks. And you know what electronics don't like? Water. Well, dirty water. Use the robot factory in your command center to produce 2 more runners. Okay, so we click you, I want a runner, I want 2 of them, and I'm hitting yes. Why do I have a thing? Missing production ingredient, metal plate. Well, not yet. And then I need an assembler. All right. That's you. Missing ingredient, metal plate. Oh, because the metal plate's fallen behind. Because I need 2 more runners. What are these guys doing? Can I... What's happening here? How do I... Because they're just floating. Can I... No. So do the runners just figure it out? Produce and equip. Okay. So it's a medium, so I just put it there. An uplink is required to access your technology research tree. Produce and equip an uplink. Ah, it's an antenna. Okay. Which I need circuit boards for, which require crystal and metal plates. So I'm going to need to make another one of these. Who are you? You're a runner. Wait, how did I produce one? You may need to unequip another component. All right, what's this? High grade capacitor. Probably need that, but I don't think I need the fabricator anymore. How did I do? Nope. There we go. What was it? Control? That selects all of the same kind. Nifty. That's not what I wanted. Okay, V. Control. Can you produce? Yes, you can produce small components. So I don't need to do this anymore. So we'll pull you off and put you on. Now I can open the research window. Holy hell. I've mapped the technologies we've detected on this planet into distinct research groups. You will need to discover ways to unlock specific technologies, however. You will, oh my, this is what we call a run-on sentence. You will need to discover ways to unlock specific technologies. However, there is a high probability that each new technology will advance our own significantly. Only breathe if there's periods and commas. If you get lightheaded, you have a run-on sentence. Just piece of advice. Okay. Yes. Start research on basic structures. Oh my. Oh, they expand. There's more. Oh boy. It gets complicated. Copper coil wires. Oh, it's just wire. I love how everything that's based in, how to put it, like real world carbon-based, like materials, not carbon-based, but you know what I mean. Like everything that's based on real world materials always starts like, there's always the recognizable ones. Iron plates or steel plates, that kind of thing. So start research on basic structures. That's this one, 30 seconds. Okay. And it's going to take plates and unlocks a bunch of stuff. Got it. Construct 2 storage block buildings. On each of your engineers, set their store register to tell them where to store items. Okay. Do what now? I need storage but I don't have a freaking, what is this? I think I need that. Do I need this? Probably need that. So what if I just build, what if I take you, and we're good. Nope, that's not what I want. This, and I need 8 storage block buildings. Nope. See, I've already screwed up. That's not how you do. Nope. How do I get out of here? Yay, I did it. Okay, cool. Hang on. I'm thinking here. B, it's a building. Storage block. Oh, it's not. Do I need to produce 8? Or just, no, it says 2. It says 2. Read. All right, 1. And I probably could have done more than that. Okay, 2. And then set each of your engineers, which are these guys. And if I right click control, yes, or not control, but if control click, and I selected all my engineers, sweet potatoes, and set their storage, set both, hold on. Build storage blocks and set both engineers store register. Can I not tell them both of these? Did I do a dumb? Okay, fine. You. Oh, I can add a storage target. There we go. I'll do that over here because I screwed that up not knowing. There. So now they can both access both. How can I zoom in? Oh, wow. I didn't even think about that. Like you can really zoom in. Okay, the depth of field. Actually, hang on. The depth of field is a problem. Where is depth of field strength? Let's just turn that way down. And is there motion blur? No. There we go. Because like my mouse is over here, so this guy was blurry. I'm like, okay. And he just produces little cubes behind him, and then the cubes go on there. And okay. Now, how did I do I did a rotate earlier. Ah, there we go. Oh, like that is high DPI. That's okay. What am I doing? building 2x1, then equip an assembler and set it to produce reinforced plates. You'll need to produce the assembler separately. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put another one of these buildings like right here, and its job is going to be, how did I do this before? It's done. Request an item, and I think one of those, which I should have one in there, so it should bring it over, which it did, and it equipped it. Nice. So now I just have one to build crap when I need to. I'm not going to assign it to anything else. And now that I've zoomed in enough, I can actually see there's like things on here and not level, and I've done, it's kind of cute. But there's a lot of detail, right? For a top-down style game, like a lot of detail. Okay. So what am I doing? Okay, you're going to go ahead and do an assembler. And while you're doing that, I will build the 2x1. And just keeping with the mess I'm making here, let's just set it over here. It's the tutorial. It's not the final thing. Now, do you have 2 ports? You have a medium and a small. And you are small. No, wait, I need an assembler, right, which is a medium. But then I could also do a small. So that could have been my building for, instead of this, that could have been my building for building random stuff. All right, so now we're going to set you to do reinforced plate. Check. Produce another building to produce circuit boards. Well, of course. All right. Can I just put you there? Yes, I can. You make me another assembler. Check. Okay. Now that that's done, we'll request an item. Request the assembler. Assemble. Assemblers assemble. No. And produce circuit board. Check. All right, I'm picking it up. All right. Open research. Basic power. Okay. This one. RGB. Illuminates the immediate area. Brightness and color can be changed via RGB registers. Are we talking 3-wire or 4-wire? Like, what am I doing here? Portable power field. Small power field. Crystal power. Sounds like something you would buy at a bookstore. Illuminates color can be changed via the register. So wait, what's the difference? RGB register. So I wonder if this is going to be like, I can program these to be like warning lights and stuff. You know, hey, storage is full. Flash red. Get my attention. I should probably be paying attention to that, because that total load number is getting well into that generated number. Do I need this drop pod anymore? Can I oh, inventory. Why is there inventory in this? Ah, okay, I got it. Cool. Equip a crystal component on a building. Well, first let's look at what it... I can't build it there? Is it small? Crystal power. It is a small component. All right, we'll throw it on there. Why not? How's that going to work if nothing can build? Is it the assembler that builds it? I think it's the assembler that builds it. All right, so you're going to do... What do I got? I got 2 metal plate. Yeah, so you're going to make... We're going to change you to do more metal plate. Why not? Let's do that. And now I want another 2x1. Put that there. Wait. I screwed up. Hang on, I screwed up. Build me another assembler. I'm getting there. What do you want? I don't care. It's probably telling me very important things, but I'm in the middle of configurating. Why are we taking forever? Because metal plate production is slow. Are you done yet? What are we waiting on? Metal plate. And actually, can I add more to this? Is there a queue? So let's actually, I wish there was a queue, because what I'd like to do is queue up a couple more thingies to go over here, since I have a 2x1 building. I guess that doesn't matter too much. Yeah, because they have limited storage, so you probably wouldn't want to bottleneck them too much. What would probably help is to have a couple more runners, which also require metal plate. We're waiting on this thing, which is just slow. And these only store raw resources, or at least that's all they're storing right now. Got it. Okay, it's done. Can you build my assembler now? And actually, yeah, build me an assembler and a thingamabobber. You know, thingamabobber, fabricator. Cool. And one of those two, please. So now we're going to request an assembler, and we're going to request a small component thingy. And you should be done with that. So now we're going to set you to metal plate. Make more metal plate. So now I have, yeah, okay. So now we go to you. Oh my Lord. I do like the little lines though to kind of help you out here. What am I doing? Crystal power band. I want one of those. No, that was a small, right? Yes. So in theory, I can let's just dump another building down. I don't want to, we'll do that. I was going to put it on one of these, but then it's, oh, wait, it equipped it. I don't want to equip it. Hang on. Put it in inventory. Thank you. Oh, no. Now you request the crystal power. And it should be smart enough to figure all that out. Yeah, because I don't want this inventory getting bugged up because they only have 4 little slots. Produce a small power field on a building near the silica sand deposit. Am I blind? Oh, silica sand deposit. Wait, but I don't have... How's my power grid? Ah, okay. But still near... Aw. Power flower. Whole 70s called. Okay. Well, so what am I... Is this like for a daisy chaining thing? Oh, okay. Well, you... shoot. You... Is it a small component? It's a small component. Let's produce one. It has it in inventory. So now I can put... I'm trying to look at my little... Okay, so I can put that there, maybe? I have no idea if this is going to work. Okay, so now I have the building. Now I can request the thing. Should take it over. Ah, and that did sort of expanded it. Silica sand can be found on the plateau. You can build a work unit with a miner attachment to create a simple mining bot. Wait, what are these guys? An engineer. Am I not supposed to use engineers? Set a unit to... You know what? We're going to actually do a little more expansion here. I'll put that there. You produce another small thing. And once that's done, bot, runner, worker. Oh, wait, why? So why are those called engineers? Okay, let's do 2. So I'm daisy chaining because I want to get, like, I know I'm near the end of the map, but I want to get this big silica deposit here. All right, so I have you, and now I'm going to request the power thingamabobber. Eventually someone should get over there. All right, so those are my workers. Now I need to build... Oh, I have an extra thing here. Oh, you can do it in the assemblers too. I did need to do it here. Ah, there we go. I was like looking all around for this thing. I need 2 of those because I produced 2 workers, didn't I? Where's the other guy? There's one. That's a runner. Didn't I produce 2 of these? And then we're going to select you and put you on that. Nope. How do I do it again? Oh, tell it to mine that and then set it to here? Or does it just start looking? Oh, okay. So it just looks for any of the resources in the power grid area that meet your requirements. Good. Where's my other bot? Didn't I produce 2? What are you doing? Not transferring items. Okay. I may have accidentally not selected 2. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and get a couple more of these storage buildings up here. Did you produce? Is that my worker? Okay, so now I can select you. No, you. And resource that. And hit OK. So if I collect, I still only have the 2 engineers. But we're going to, whoops. How did I do this before? 2 units selected. Hang on. No, no, no. Give me you. No. What am I screwing up here? That's what they're currently doing. Whoops. Nope. I'm figuring out the controls. Hang on. I did this before where I had multiple selected, didn't I? All right, let's grab you. Yeah. Where's that window? And wait, I have another worker. Oh, that's a runner. Where's this other worker? He's behind. Uh-oh. What have I done? No, no. Storage. But I want all the storages. So I can't. That's that worker. Grab this worker. Okay, I understand now. No. Grab the worker. Thank you. Add storage. So for whatever reason, if I control click all of them, so now that's good. Because there's no plus symbol if I click all of them, right? Yeah, there's no plus symbol. I don't know why that is. All right. You, I need you to produce another thingamabobber because apparently I screwed up at some point. Give me another miner. And we will put you on there. Select him. Set him to mine silica. Add storage. now that they're all full with the other bots because I took too long to figure it out. Oops. Now I've been doing my own thing for so long, I have completely forgotten what I stopped reading the instructions. Select, build a storage. I've done that. Build storage and turn on a runner's transport route. Runner. Transport route. Select, wait, what? Go to register. Set the go-to register of the runner to the unit mining silica to pick up from it. Oh. Set the store to a storage block. Oh, you don't have them go. I don't even know where all my workers are because there's one way the heck over here working on something. That's the silica sand. That looks like a tree to me. And then I got one guy back here who's just... Oh, I never set him to do anything. Right. No, wait, I did. What? No silica sand found in range. So what if I just tell him to move over here? Maybe then he'll figure it out. Now that you've learned? Is that right? Huh. The basics of base building, you are ready to continue with your mission to repair the mothership. The tutorial begins in passive mode, meaning the native population of bugs will not come out of their bug hive or bug hole until you attack them. Oh, goody. Was there a bug hive? Bug hole? I didn't see a bug hive or bug hole, but okay, understood. Behaviors are an advanced mechanic for controlling units. To get started, add an integrated behavior to a unit via the unit options menu. More information and story dialogue can be found in the codex. Understood. Wait, so if I grab you, options, integrated behavior, create new behavior. So this is the node-based visual script editor. Oh no. Wait, no. There we go. Program start. And oh my god. Memory controls. There's debug prints. There's okay. My brain hurts. This is oh, and the little map's still here. Okay, select node for help on that instruction. We're gonna hold off on that. Understood. Okay, so what's this? Mission, repair the mothership. Collect a robotics data cube. Okay, we're limited in our technology to find the intel these ruins, so we're looking for ruins. Now, my mini-map kind of ends. Am I to understand that this is the end of the tutorial? Oh, wait, no. Explorable. Right-click to investigate. I right-clicked. What am I investigating with? Who'd I send? A worker. Has my map been getting bigger? Is there more to my map? I don't think so. Oh, wait, I lied. Energized plate and portable power field. Okay, take all. Not enough free space. Well, then, genius. I don't know what to do with that. You, runner. No, I will leave him alone. I don't know why. You, runner. Explore. You, worker. We need to pause. His inventory's empty. Because he has the power field. Oh, because it's integrated. Okay, well. Uh-oh. He's unpowered. Take all. Now let's get you back into the grid before your battery runs out, because I'm an idiot. Investigate ruined structures across the world for data to help advance your technology. You may need to repair them before you can gain access. Exploring them could provide valuable information and resources. Okay. Let's take a look around. Do I see any more? I do not. That's 2 of 4. Collect a robotics data cube. How do I get back out of that? Okay. So what am I doing now? Okay, so I'm supposed to be setting up miners, and then those, so this guy, the engineers will transport, but he won't. Where's my other guy? He's here, he's working, and he's storing stuff. So a worker. Okay, do I have something? Can I arm him? I feel like I should arm him. Maybe research tree. You know what? Let's try that. T. There we go. Research complete. All right. Start research. Why not? Unlocks signal reader, portable radar. That would be handy. And a signpost. Okay. Behaviors, basic robotics, power construction, expanded power, robotics production. Looks like we can get more robots. I mean, this is all under basic. Oh. Human intel, virus research, alien technology, and blight research. Okay. I'm gonna take a whack that we're limited in the tutorial. How? Oh, okay. Open research. That's done. Let's just keep it cranking. I know it sounds like a lot, but I almost wish I could automate the research tree. Maybe there is a way to do that. Okay, so robotics assembler. Okay. A dashbot. Faster upgrade to the worker bot with additional inventory. Nice. More building stuff. Energized plate. Robotics assembler. But I also get that here. Robotics assembler. What's this? That's the refinery. Re-simulator core. Useless by itself. Reconstructs objects on a simulation level charged via data cubes. Build to complete the demo. Which crystal powder. Okay. So that's the goal. So maybe, what am I researching right now? Add to queue. I can queue these. Add to queue. Add to queue. Can only queue up to 3 research items. Oh, okay. Well, that's fine. Well, then I shall let it burn. Now, it said I was in passive mode at the start. Does that mean I'm not now? And somewhere around here are alien buggers? All right, so I'm going to let that run for a minute and get through the research. And then we'll figure out the rest of this stuff. Okay, we've unlocked some things. That's researching. Okay. That's been completed. That's been completed. So the next research thing we need is to be able to make energized plates, which is produced by the robotic assembler out of that. So robotic assembler I got here. Okay. So building that builds bits. Okay, robotic assembler is a medium component. So let's do something crazy. 2x2 building of medium variety. Let's place that there. Meanwhile, we're going to have you produce 2 robotic assemblers, which is going to require 2 of those. Oh, wait, what? Missing. Okay, so yep, I'm good there. Does it have the inventory space to actually... I guess it does. And now you are going to request 2 robotic assemblers. Check. I don't know what that means. Has... Oh, wait, what? Has stale order. Click for more details. Item not available. We're right, because I haven't built it yet. How do I get back out of that? Because this should be trying to produce it, which it can't because it's missing no inventory space to produce. Oh. Can I expand its inventory? You made a robotic assembler. Okay. You're going to produce plates infinitely. There we go. And then let's build more storage blocks. Can I... No. How do I... Is there a way to, like, do more than one? Place construction, customize... place multiple. Shift. So, boom, boom. Well, cool. That's the order they're going in because I'm an idiot. And then escape. Okay. Now I'm going to grab this runner, and I want to do transport from here to here. Just get the stuff out of there. Where'd you go? Is that you? Are you pulling stuff out of there? I don't remember which one I set to do that. Wasn't there a show paths button? F. No. Well, someone's putting stuff in there. Hang on. How... Send to shared storage. How do I... I forgot how to assign it like shared. Runners. You're doing a thing. That's why. You're busy. How do I do this? Okay, you know what? We're going to produce another runner who needs plates. I'm making lots of plates. Is that you? Where'd he go? No, it wasn't him. Is this him? No. I have no idea what just happened. Do I need... Did he just like auto assign? Okay, fine. Runner. Give me 10. I want stuff done quickly here. How do I add to shared inventory? Hang on. Codex. Here we go. Okay. Shared. No. Storage. Okay. That's for components. Logistics network. Okay. There are multiple systems to automate. One is logistics network. Any unit or building that has a network button turned on and is inside the network represented by the grid is connected to the logistics network and will receive orders from the network without any direction from the player. Okay. Units with the network, whether connected or not, will receive power. Power orders are automatically inside the network. Okay. So you guys are networked. You are not, but you are. Is that the difference? No inventory space to reduce. It needs those things because it has steel beams in it. Why does it need steel beams? Okay, so it takes too many items. So let's cancel that item, which should pull. Yep, that guy should pull it out. Okay. Missing production ingredient. What are we missing? The fabricator. What if I just... No, don't take that out of there. Oh, okay. So let's cancel that. You make one of those, which it did. So now you make one of those, which will give it a second because it's now got to pull one out of storage. And it did. Did it? It did. And now it should take it over to the robotic assembler. And now it's got two. So now you can also produce these things. And now I have workers and dashbots. So let's just set it to Uber produce plates. And then can I set the storage to request items? So if I set it to grab these, I can only set it to a limited thing. Reoccurring request, keep filled up to amount, single request. Oh, okay. So I do this. I don't know. Sure. That sounds right. So now that should constantly be pulling. We figured it out, I think. I don't think it can hold the amount I'm specifying, but it should keep this relatively empty. Nice. Okay. Now what do I need? Tech tree. Right. Because we're stuck. I can do this one. Right. Or crystal chunks. Right. I already have crystal chunks. And I can do this one. So now I just need to figure out silicon, which is produced by a fabricator. So let's put in another 2-part building. Do I have a 1x1 that's 2? Or that's a defense block. I haven't had to use that yet. So shift, we'll just do that. You build me 4 of these. I may have built one too many runners. I'm also running out of power. That's probably something I should address. Let's look at you. Solar cell. Battery. That's a turret. Let's produce... What are these? These are small components. So let's produce 4 of those. And then we'll put another... Oh, here's the small buildings. Oh, I'm an idiot. I went for the... Wait, are these mediums? How do you cancel these? Abort construction. Abort construction. Abort construction. Abort construction. Why? Because I'm a moron. Oh, there we go. Now you have 2 small slots, so you're going to request power and request one of those. I was hoping I could queue up a couple. Now you're going to build tubes. You're going to build tubes. You're going to build tubes. Oop. And you're going to build tubes. And then that's empty. So let's put a request item in. Reoccurring filled up to amount. Max it to tubes and hit select. What am I screwing up? What's in here? Powder. Why can't these do it? No inventory space. Oh, because I'm an idiot. Can I do that? That. Whoops. Leave that there. That. I see what I did wrong. Yep, I know. Hold on. I'm trying to fix stuff. Put that there. Now I can set you to tubes. Apparently I wasn't a moment too soon because I was actually starting... I'm negative energy? Oh. Wait. They're not getting enough crystal? So let's produce some bots. Nope. Nope. This one. Okay. I need another thing for... So let's... I need another building for bot production. Somehow I don't... I guess I don't have enough... Yeah, because I'm not really... I have 1 engineer on both metal and plastic, so that's what I keep running out of. Or crystal. All right, so you produce 2 of those, so now you should be able to produce 2 of these. And then what are we thinking? Another 4? I'm running out of juice. It's like it catches up and then it falls behind. It's just not enough crystal going into the system, I think. Yay, I got another one done. I don't know how. Can I change... How did I do this? I click this, right? No, that's not what I want. V and then click. No, that's still selected them all. Must focus a building. No, that's not what I want. How is it to customize? V. No. Control. No. Control. Edit. Ah, here we go. Can we change you? Oh, wait. Change type. There we go. Change you to apply upgrade. Hopefully that didn't just bork everything because now I don't have it making the metal plates it requires to do the upgrade. I should have done this one first. What are you storing? Apparently I produced a lot of silica tubes. I abort the construction. Okay. Well, I may have just screwed up because this thing can't produce the stuff anyways because it doesn't have those. So let's right click that and set you to make plates while I figure out how to fix what I broke. Meanwhile, can I research anything else? I have all that. Completed that. A cube of the results of running millions of simulators located in ruined structures throughout the world. Okay, so for that I have to explore. But that can be made in the fabricator, and it actually can be made right now. So, oops, did it again. Shift. We'll do that. Oh, I right-clicked. What did I do? Okay, I set a target somehow. I don't know, reoccurring. I have no idea what I just did. You're gonna take copper wire, which I can't do yet. Am I blind? What's this? Medium component pulse lasers. Medium component. Oh, okay. So, wait. Why can't I do that yet? Ah, because I have to complete this to get that. Gotcha. Where did you get those? I think it just stole fabricators from somewhere. This is very slow going because no one's brought it plates. Can I set a priority? Oh, yeah. Here we go. High priority. High priority. Hey, this one's finally done. So you need 2 of those, which it doesn't. Where did the assemblers go that came off of here? Okay, so I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 8. So I need 8. So we'll do 10 minus 2. All right, this one should be free. Quest item. This. Fill until fill full. There we go. Let's hit OK. You're gonna produce copper coils, wire. Missing production ingredient. Metal bars. Yeah, see, that's the problem is I'm not harvesting fast enough now. I don't know if I'm doing the power grid properly because it's saying I'm using all my energy. Oh, right, because I'm not running enough crystal, I guess. Oh, hey, this thing's done. All right, you are gonna get 2 of these. As soon as this is done, building 4 of those. So what's cool is it's actually, it seemed to be sorting stuff out too as I set these to do the request instead of setting them to do the storage. Hey, this got done with it. Awesome. So now I should be able to produce 2 of these. This is all in the process of of building the more advanced robots because I could just build the basic ones here if I were smart. Can I set... No. Oops. Can I set construction priority? Like, you guys need to produce plates more than anything. Move interface. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know you could do that. Link editor. What is this guy doing? Resource mine to amount. Oh, here we go. I just realized that guy wasn't working. Let's get him on doing some iron and helping here. We are really running out of power. How is that still fully... Yeah, this guy here. Wait, was it P? Oh, because the grid runs out over here. This guy's still waiting on plates. That's waiting on plates. Oh, okay. Well, let's do that. Didn't realize he was full. Anybody else stuck on full? Did I not set any of these to request silicon? Oh, I did. It's full. Okay. No inventory space to produce wire because it takes 2 components. Son of a biscuit, man. Did not think that through again. So that's where the small buildings come in handy. Oops. No, that's not what I want. I want to abort. I don't know why I keep doing that. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Or is it because I'm clicking? Oh, no, I'm clicking on it showing the paths. Okay. I thought I was clicking it and like diverting everyone on accident. Hey, what are you? Twin bot. A bot with 2 small components to allow complementary functionality. Hold shift alt for details. Oh, here we go. Slot type garage. Durability storage. Okay. 1S2 has an integrated capacitor. Is that normal? Okay. Cub. This bot is the first amount of medium component. Well, we need... I don't know if we need 2 small components, but let's produce like 2 of those. Actually, let's do 4. And let's cancel that. And then once all 4 dash bots are built, then I can equip them with stuff. And we'll put 2 to iron and 2 to something else. Nope, this one. There we go. That's not who makes components. I'm going to put one over here. There we go. Now you don't make the components either. Who makes the components? Is it you? No, it's you. It's the assembler? Wait. Yes. Okay, I need 4 of these. Meanwhile, go to there. Go to there. Go to there. Put you over there. I'll do that. Okay, so do you have 4 of these made up yet? Okay, I can request an item. Ah, so now I don't have to go and try and find it. Okay. You get one. You get a miner. You get a miner. You get a miner. That sounds... Never mind. Laser mining tool. Extracts metal and crystal with high efficiency. Oh, I guess I should have built those. Oh well. All right, so you're gonna gather iron. Check. You gather iron. Check. You gather crystal. Check. You gather crystal. Check. And hopefully that'll kind of debacle things. What am I missing here? Robotics medium component. Who's building that? Cancel order. I don't think I need that. Okay, so now I'm producing the copper wire. What's in here? I have an empty slot. Okay. Push you over there. Now I have 4 worker, 2 dashbots, and an engineer doing iron. So hopefully that helps. Because now what I need to do is I just need to get this inventory cleaned up. And we need more juice. I wonder if it would make sense to do solar. Let's try solar, see how that helps. Which means now I need to find which one of you buggers makes it. You. I need 4. Do I need more than 4? Did I request 2 here? Oh, I guess I did. Whoops. All right, well, let's add another one. Or did that just reduce it? Oh, I don't know. There, I'm gonna have a bunch. Power production. Okay. Am I doing something wrong here? Is it not summer? So I have a, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, what was that, 6? I have 6 of these things left. So let's just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and then once those are complete, we'll just throw them on there and we'll get some other construction going. Like, what, I got 3, so we'll do 3 iron rod and 2 more plates. Iron bar, metal bar. This guy, he can't go anywhere because no space in inventory for... That's why. Don't I have the request on here? Oh, I didn't do that. Add. There we go. Hey, I'm finally netting a positive here in the construction realm. Okay, what do I need to do now? This one. Set the research and hopefully it'll pull all the materials I need. And now I need to figure out explorate. It is snowing in that biome. That's kind of cool. What? All right, and you're gonna produce bar. Oh, they can't. Wait, they can't cross over the buildings. Shoot, I did not realize that. So how do I relocate? And it dropped a component there in the process? Oh no, it's smart enough to figure it out. But now, yeah, now they can reach in and access everything. Cool. Maybe accept this one? Okay, something to consider. You can't stack things. You gotta leave room for the bots to get through. Nice to know. Power is good, I think. I have no idea how to read this. No crystal chunk found in range. What? Surely you're smart enough to go over here, dingbat, and harvest crystal chunk. They're all out of power. Why are we all out of power? Oh, because I need to build power. Huh. Let's do a medium. We're gonna set it there or no, that doesn't work. Hang on. Abort. No. Want a medium. Put it there. Still says it's out of power because I didn't turn the grid on before doing it. Abort. How about there? And then if I go to you, make me one of those. High priority. And I just realized it probably can't reach this middle one here. So let's relocate. Actually, we'll relocate you to there. This is horrible construction, but it's working. And now I can request a medium power thing. Oops. Which will hopefully keep these guys from all falling off the grid over and over again. No inventory space for metal ore. So the request doesn't work from these guys. What if I do that? Wait, I could only select 4? And then engineers are already on. So now they should start dumping the products where they go, because so that's not the most efficient way to do it. I'm guessing I'm supposed to have them hang out and have runners, but really at this point I'm just trying to get through this demo. You aren't you supposed to produce? Did you produce the thing? No, you're waiting on that. Oh, god dang it. Okay, fine. You don't have an assembler. How many does it need? Needs one. So produce one of those. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm like, I wonder if there's a total system inventory thing. Yeah, it's up here. Iron plate is my big concern for some particular reason. Look at all that metal ore. So I need to build like repeatable grid out this way. And then I need to figure out like exploration, because I can't, right? I can't build the thing that, nope, that's the robotic constructor. That's not what I want. You. No, I cannot. I do have pulse lasers. Small advanced turret. None one of these guys have that? You. Preferred target. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. So what is going to be the best bot for exploration? Because he can take a medium. Oh, how did I do that? Hold shift. There we go. Probably the twofer, right? Because then I can put a bot and or not a bot, it doesn't tell me like how he's got 4, or no, this has 4 inventory slots. Where does it say 1? 2, 4, 2. So twin bot's gonna be the way to go. So we're gonna want like, let's do 4 of those, and then the twin bots we're gonna want to have these ones, 4 of those, and then maybe mobile power. I don't know how that works. Let me see here, because that's small turret, small advanced turret. Oh, oh, but that requires son of a biscuit. Okay, so cancel that. I need to build 4 of these first. While that's looking, wasn't there a mobile power thingamabobber? Rechargeable battery? Would that be better? Portable power field creates or expands your logistics network with a small area, transferring power to nearby units and buildings. Produces no power on the most useful on a movable unit given its short range. Oh my lord, that would be cool. Okay, so we got like a teleporter, shield generator. All conditions must be met. What conditions? I don't know what that means. Scout radar, short range detection resources and other objects. So I'm guessing, oh no, that says portable. Okay, so we have those, and I think I made those 4, so now I can make these. So you can go ahead and put a request in for your advanced turret. You get a turret, you get a turret, you get a turret, and you get a turret. Now, battery or radar? Ooh, because what was it, a capacitor? No, not a capacitor. Battery. 30,000 power storage. That really ups their range. Thinking batteries. Just make them sacrificial at this point. What are we missing? We're missing these. Did he not produce all 4? There's one there. Now there isn't. Oh, it's done. Okay, I'm just waiting for him to get equipped. Okay. So batteries, 4, check. And then we'll do the same thing. I know, I could have probably just like got it set up, and then there's the copy paste feature. Oh, wait, cancel. It's already had that one requested. Okay. So now you should have a ridiculous amount. You're going to pull from the grid, so we'll let them charge. And now if I select these, right, I get all 4. Nice. And they are taking forever to charge. Why is my power a problem? What am I doing wrong? Oh, here we go. Crystal power is just not working. It's storing it. Am I dumb? Charges itself by consuming crystals, storing energy and supplies 150 to your logistics network every second, but only when required. Oh. So what if... Why are we sitting idle? Because there's no room for anything. So here's where I could use these. Because what I'll do is... There, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, which is 14 for those of us paying attention. So now I'm going to do 14 batteries, because for whatever reason, these guys, are they charged? No, why aren't they charging? How make charge? So what about you? With increased output throughout the summer, cell provides 50 to your grid. with daylight. You know what then? Hang on. How do I reduce the number here? There's 12 left, which means I produced 2. So I need 5. Let's change that to that. So I'll put a battery and another solar cell. Ooh, or wind turbines when located on the plateau. Oh, okay. Well, this is the plateau, right? What was it that it took? So we're going to produce 7 of those, and it's a medium component. I'm tired of having power issues. Let's just say that. I just found another button that lets me see everything. Okay. Yeah, those I won't disconnect, but like now I'm finding guys that are like hiding in the woodworks that aren't doing anything. Let's move these guys over here just so I can distinguish what's going on here. And then I got a box that's, oh wait, chat. I somehow opened chat. I don't recall this being multiplayer, but maybe it is. I do remember they're saying something about factions. Okay. It is crazy how hard it is to get power in this network. Okay, are you done? No, because you're still waiting on circuit boards, which you're producing circuit boards. You're waiting on iron plates. Iron plates are... I had to find the right window. Going on here, which are waiting on ore. Ore is waiting on... Well, all right. I think I'm going to let it run for a minute while it figures its stuff out. Okay, that's finally done setting all that up. I am now actually producing power in a positive amount, which means these things are charging. But that doesn't change the fact I'm going to request 2 of those. Well, 6. And now what does it take to build them? Just basic stuff. All right, so make 6. And perhaps I need to build another storage somewhere out of the way. I think that'll be fine. I'll set you to high priority. And once it's done, I'll have that request circuit boards, so circuit boards quit getting backed up. Although I think circuit boards tend to be waiting on plates. But everyone is connected except for these guys because they're going to go exploring. Oh, wow. Okay, it's producing. So now if I click this, I'm getting 100 because it's on the plateau. Look at that. Finally, the green is off the red or yellow. Holy hell. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of stuff you can look in here. Faction, bugs, trust towards you, neutral, trust. And you are going to have a repeating request for circuit boards and just fill her up. Yeah, look at that green line getting away from everything. Finally. Okay. I think I'm understanding how this works. Scout radar. Oh yeah, where is the scout? Where are you? Move camera to result. Wait. Oh, he's over here. He's got the turret on. Okay. Let's take him off the network and have him go over here. And he will join these guys. Although I think what we're going to do is take his turret off and we'll put it in storage. And we're going to produce another... Well, hang on. Where'd he go? There he is. Go back over here. And you're going to request a battery. And then you're going to produce him a battery. Power management is a big thing. Oh, that's what that means. 100. Okay, so when I click here, they store power from the crystals only to release. Okay. So how is this making power? That's a capacitor. That's the power cell. Transmits. So it doesn't really say where power is being produced or how. But now I get it. So what I should have been doing is solar and wind. And then the other power options are for... Ooh, medium capacitor. I don't really need that just yet. But yeah, you do your like wind farm and then you can use that for surge. Did you get your battery? Where'd he go? God dang it, he disappeared again. He was over here. Wait, where did my... Oh, that's a worker. No, yeah, no inventory. That's fine. Where'd my scout go? Wait, there he is. So now I can I assign these guys to a group? Codex. Group? Deploy commands. No. Controls. No. Interface? Bugs. Bug life on the planet is inherently hostile to those who enter in their territory. These bugs live underground in hive nests, predominantly in the rocky plateau regions of the planet. These hives and burrows need to be destroyed in order to cut off the bugs from the surface. Oh. Don't go into the blight. All right, but how do I group? I don't know. Not yet fully solved explorables. But I think the batteries are about charged. So I go to you. Yeah, so you're all charged up, which means I can go exploring. Oh, hey, wait. Those weren't there a second ago, right? So let's grab all of you again and right-click to investigate. Take all. Right-click to investigate. Okay, so now we got a little exploration squad going on here. Disconnect circuit. Repair required. Okay. It's a puzzle game. Not very good at these. I depleted a rich metal ore source. Okay. Then centerpieces. Oh, okay. I'm not good at these. I got it. And I got a beacon kit. Take it. Located in the ruined structures throughout the world. Limited access granted. Okay. I'm missing an item. It doesn't tell me what item, but I'm missing an item. How are we doing on battery? We're doing good. Okay. Well, there we go. Another explorable. Laterite ore. Oh, goody. A new ore. Okay. Repair required. Oh, I have to bring it. High density frames. Okay. Scattered resources. The technology instruct how to investigate more of these structures. Okay. Learn to construct an advanced computer simulator that will assist us in understanding research gateway technology, which I can't do yet. Because oh, wait, no, I can, because now I can produce them in the robotics assembler. Well, let's, okay, we'll send these guys back to within the grid to charge up. And then I need to build, we'll just do a 1 medium, 1 small in case it's a 2-stage for anything. Then can I build another thing here? Yes. So let's set you to high priority. Set you to high priority. How do I get you guys to offload? Small beacon that can be built to mark locations on your mini-map. Oh, so maybe I keep that with me. Oh, and then there's the robotics data cube. Oh, which I need. Am I even producing this stuff to make that? No. Because that's energized plate. Oh, hang on. Let's look at you. No. I need to make high density stuff. How do I make high density stuff? I have to unlock. Oh, yeah. So I need this guy to deposit his resources. Actually, let's do that with all of them. Deposit your stuff. Oh, that's not it. Uh-oh. I've done a bad. Oh, I can link them all together. So now if I select you and I tell you to go this way. Oh, okay. That's how you can link them. Cool. Follow the scout. Okay. You request the data cubes. I don't know. How many do I have? Let's say 5, but he's not on the network. So put him on the network and then he'll see the request and get in everyone's way. Oh, this has gone horribly wrong. Off the network. Back over here. You guys stay over here. Unless one of you has stuff. You have the data cubes. What do you have? You have the high density stuff. Right. I'm doing this wrong. I'm doing this totally wrong. Take you, cancel order. Right. So if I select you guys and I go, hey, put all of this in storage. I don't know what you have, but put it in storage. Now you go back over there and same with you, back over there. Okay, so now in theory, it should be researching. It is researching. Now, while that's researching and everybody's battery is full, let's do some exploring. It's a phase flower. Oh, hey, that's a bug hole. Oh, and I got, what? Select you. Oh, right click to pick up. And then preferred target. Select on map. Oh, wow. Oh, no, my guys are fine. Okay. And they just dropped scattered resources. Oh, nope. Keep them out of the blight. Oh, wait, power flower? Did that charge them? Or is that stealing power? I think it's stealing power. So let's not keep sitting there. All right, that's more blight over there because it's kind of pinkish. Oh, that's a problem. I lost 1. Uh-oh, I lost 2. I lost my scout. So they talk to each other. What are these? Oh, those are the hives. They're just covered in snow. All right, well, now we know. Bad guys over there. Let's produce 10 of the big boys. And then is it you that can produce the pulse lasers? But you're going to need one of those. Okay, so let's produce 10 of those. And then I was doing something else, but I got distracted. I need to build this. which I guess I'm doing that after, because we're going to go back and we're finishing those guys off. There's got to be a way. This guy is dumb. Come on. Everyone else figured out how to get over there. Alrighty, it looks like my army is ready. Path blocked. I don't really care about that. I think all is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So let's get them up here, away from the power flower. All right, here we go. Now we got the big guns. Feel like we're doing good? Wow. A couple almost died. And we went through a lot of power for that. Do I want this stuff? If I have room to pick any of this stuff up, that would be handy. Whoever's got room to pick it all up. Is that everything? Okay, everyone's full. So now before our batteries die, let's send them home. You have lost a unit. Oh, did I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh yeah, I lost one. Crap, I sent them right past a freaking power flower. Please tell me they'll still move. Yeah, they just move slow. You need to be producing... I forgot what I put over here. One big, one small. Right. And he's already fully charged. Wow. So they're hurt, but they're coming back. And I believe right up there is a good rally point for them. And then I need to build some more storages here. Just build 6 storages up there so I can store a bunch of stuff. And let's build another one over here. For whatever I was supposed to be producing here. I got distracted by, you know, war. Red. Oh, because there's more over here. I had that whole fight over there and I missed a whole hive over here. But I also don't know how to, if these guys repair. I don't think they do. What did I bring? Oh, chitin. Power transfers power to a single unit or building outside the logistics network. Oh, so if a medium component, so if I had that and a local area transmitter, they would hold a charge. So I really, with these guys, I need to bring on probably 2 of those, not the cubs, but this guy. Yeah, twin bot. No, those are 2 small components. So really I need to find one that's 2 medium. Okay, we're going to get this set up to start accepting these things, because this guy's about ready to be able to make that. And what am I doing? I've completed that, but I need to make those so I can make all of this. Reconstructs objects on a simulation level. Build to complete the demo. The core. Empty socketable core that interfaces with the simulator, useless by itself. Production breakdown? Oh my lord. They give you a lot of information here. Object list. Okay, here we go. It's an internal component. That's a large component. And then what was the other thing I needed? What are these? This thing is a special building. Okay. Think I understand? There he goes. Okay, so now you are going to build these. There is a way to heal them, and I need to remember what that is. Is it you? I saw it in here somewhere. This one? No, deconstructor. This one. Designated locked inventory slots on unit or building for dumping of excess items. Oh, that's the thing I want. Shield repair kit. Can repair the unit or building it's equipped on. That's not what I want. So is there no way to like fix the bots? So now I can build this special building, which I'll stick over here. No silica tubes. Don't I have... Wait, do I not have anyone requesting silica tubes? Do I not have anything making silica tubes? Oh, I got 1. No, 2. 3. But apparently if you just dump random things in places... Oh, wait. Aren't these silica tubes? I have a ton of silica tubes. Oh, no combat unit selected. Good to know. Silica tubes, yep. Silicon. Keep saying silica. Oh, the bugs changed you from neutral to enemy. Wait, so could I have chosen not to fight them? It's here, and then I go to factions. Enemy. Oh, so if I set them as enemy, they see me. Ah, I shot first. I understand. Replace destroyed buildings with paused construction sites. Uh-oh. Did I just start something I shouldn't have? Man, I need like more of these little runaround dudes. Runners. Let's just do like another 10 runners. Why not? Maybe that'll help. This guy seems to have run out of charge. But why is he all the way over there? Go harvest over there, Gizmo. Inventory item or world? Oh. Construction site cannot take this item. Silicon. Silicon. Why can it not take this item? Okay, where are we? Oops. Isn't this thing supposed to be requesting these? Am I dumb? Did I forget to do that? Huh. And this thing still won't take silicone tubes for some reason. Why? Construction requirements. Has stack order. Click for details. Item not available. Crystal powder. Wait, is this not? Oh, I need to make crystal powder that I picked up somewhere and is made in a refinery. Sitting here waiting for it to do something. Refinery is a medium component. So if I do that, object list. Okay. Crystal powder, it's just one to the other. So as long as I have 2 slots. So let's build one of those. And no, wasn't there a different medium one? 2 of those. While that's going, come over here. You're going to build 4 refineries. High priority construction sites. You're going to make an infinite request for powder. God dang it. It needs... Gotta learn to read all the steps to these building things. I have to build those things to build those things, which are going to go on these things as soon as they get done delivering stuff over there. Aren't these circuit boards? Yeah, I have so many stacks of circuit boards. Okay. Okay, so I got 2 more doing plates, 2 more doing bars, and then I got all 4 refineries up here doing the crushed. So now, hopefully when it gets done with that, oh no, at some point it got done with that and filled the silicon. Or was that why? Wait, was it grayed out the entire time? And I was just missing this and I'm an idiot? That might have been it. Wait, I'm drawing so much power right now. What? God, the refineries. Oh, I didn't realize how much they draw. Okay, we need to build more power. So let's do that. And then you need to build... How many did I just put down? 4. So I need 8 more of these. Because right now I'm running on battery. Watching all these little guys run around, I could definitely see where efficiencies in pathing could be made. Perhaps my maze was not such a great idea. I mean, not that it was an idea, not like I planned it to be a maze. Oh, it finally got all its resources. And built. Ah. Well, if I'd known it was going to do that, maybe I shouldn't have placed it so close to the cliff. Took me 3.5 hours. Yeah, this was meant to be a quick video looking at a demo. Stability rating. Enemy terminated. Overloading not advised. Has that always been there? System stability within normal operating range. What does that mean? It's the overloading of the power? Yeah, I'm working on that. Oh, there's my season. Okay. So one of the reasons our power demand is low is because we're in summer or winter. And if I remember correctly, these do, it says increased output throughout the summer, but it doesn't say by how much. Wasn't there another miner in one of these? Ah, I don't have it researched. That's why, right. Oh, that's handy. I was just about to make more and I realized I can actually set them up from the get-go. So just going to tell it to make 5 of those. I don't think I have anyone else available right now. Where did I make those? Oh, here. You. Same deal. Miner. And then we're going to set you to harvest iron. Wait, here. Iron. Check. Okay. And let's produce 5 of those. Because I keep running, I was trying to balance the resource. I don't even need to keep playing. The demo is beat, but I need to complete this because I run my power down so much I sucked up all my crystal running the little backup thingies. Now knowing that I could configure it, could I do that this whole time? Like if I did that and clicked that, I could have. Okay, well, better late than never, I suppose. Oh, but you have to have someone producing. So is it just not going to do it unless... Yeah, okay. Well, let's do this then. Let's cancel those 5. Have it make 10 here, which is going to be difficult because it doesn't have crystal. All right. And just like that, my freaking windmills are finally done. It only took like another half hour, but the green line's back above the... Holy dear God, except for this gizmo. Wait, what's going on? Oh, right. I forgot. Got to put them all on the network. Otherwise, they don't know to take things anywhere. I guess, is that something I can do when I design them? Yes. Okay. I could have told them right when they start to do that. Okay. Well, whoops. But there it is. The demo is over. As I said, version 1.0 is on Steam right now. As of recording this, there's actually a sale going on for a couple days. So, I don't know. Comment down below. I had fun. I mean, it was supposed to be like a 1 or 2 hour recording, and here we are at 4 hours, so clearly I enjoyed it. What do you think? Bring it to the channel? Pick it up? Comment down below. Let me know. But that's going to do it for this one, so hopefully you enjoyed the video, because there's buttons if you did, buttons if you didn't. And as always, buttons to push. Until next time.